Hi there, and welcome to another Silent Hill Fix video. So I actually got Silent Hill Origins, the PlayStation 2 version, and in the PlayStation Portable, the PSP version, the flashlight does not work. So there's a visual bug. Sometimes this flashlight will work and sometimes it won't. You can see as I turn it on in the game, the player is receiving that emission, and so is this little particle system. They have this lens flare. You can see it's actually a particle. They're just planes on the screen like a billboard shader. Anyways, that's not what you're here for. So you will see the shadow is not being casted on the walls. The player is receiving that light, but the fix is simple anyways. So just to make sure the game does not crash, make sure your flashlight is actually off. Sometimes it will crash your PCSX2. So turn that off and come here to the pause screen. You have to do nothing, simply come here to this PCSX. You don't have to use this specific build. I think they fixed it in the newer versions. I haven't updated mine for so long. Simply come here to config, graphics settings. Hold on a second, yeah. So I'm running it on OpenGL because I'm playing this on a laptop, but you can also set this to Direct3D 11. Make sure it's either of the two because make sure it's not software or Vulkan. Vulkan still might cause some issues, or maybe the newer versions have this, so I'm just going to stick to OpenGL. Next, come here to hacks. Make sure to check the option that says enable hardware hacks. Check it. Next, you see this? Fast texture invalidation. So just do this and hit OK. All right. Yeah, you will see that it kind of refreshed. Let's test it now in game. So here we are, and there's the flashlight. Okay. I wonder why the hell it won't work. Okay, this door is not working either. Okay. All right, she's receiving the lights too. I don't know why it's not casting any lights. Let's go into the next room and see. Okay, it's working. As you can see, it's working here. And wait. Also, if my game is slowing down, is because of the screen recorder. Let's check if it works there. As you can see, the light reflections are working. Let's go to the other world, back to the regular human world. Okay, yeah, it seems to be working now. I'm just gonna go outside to check momentarily. Okay, yeah, it's pretty much working now. And there you have it. This is how you fix the light error. Okay, I'm just going to go back where we were once more. I think it takes a moment to update itself, like the game itself. That's loaded in the emulator. Okay, yeah, the light is working. I'm just gonna go back where we came from, like that area where the light was not working. Just to check for a second. Okay, so here we are. Let's go back. There was a dead nurse there, so... Okay, yeah, the light seems to be working now. There's the dead nurse, and everything's working now. Okay, so there you have it.